Attention North Huron Fire Blyth Station. Please respond with the ambulance at the intersection of Lawnsboro Main Street and Anthony's Line for a two-vehicle MVC. The caller is unable to see where the vehicle was hit due to the road conditions. One person is diabetic and in shock. That's Lawnsboro Main Street and Anthony's Line, time of pages 16, 12, 11. Attention North Huron Fire Blyth Station. Please respond with the ambulance to the intersection of Lawnsboro Main Street and Anthony's Line for a two-vehicle MVC. The caller is unable to see where the other vehicle is due to the road conditions. One person is in shock as they're diabetic. That's Lawnsboro Main Street and Anthony's Line, time of pages 16, 12, 56.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 1.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, Car 1 acknowledging page for Black.
That's Roger.
Car 1, Car 3. Go ahead, Car 3, Car 1.
Car 1, I'm going to send truck 7 with engine 6 just as a blocker and leave those tanks in the hall. If you're okay with that?
Yeah, roger that. I'll be at the Wingham station here shortly. Car 3, Car 1.
Go ahead, Car 1, Car 3.
If you're short on manpower, don't be afraid to call Central here.
There's 10 guys here.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 6.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 6 responding to Lawnsboro. Foxtrot plus 5 Alpha.
That's Roger.
Engine 6, Car 3.
Go ahead, Car 3, engine 6.
Engine 6, just slow down ahead of you. The curves at Radford are very, very blown in and deep, very sketchy. And we just had an update from EMS. There are either no injuries or no serious injuries at this point, so just take your time.
Roger that, Car 3. Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 6.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 6 arriving on scene, EMS on scene, stand by for more info.
That's Roger. Engine 6 is on scene with the ambulance at 16, 24, 35.
Dispatch, you can show truck 7 on scene as well.
That's Roger. Truck 7 is on scene, 16, 24.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 6.
Go ahead.
We've got a two-vehicle MVC, minor injuries, patients in care of EMS. You can show Foxtrot command will be mobile.
That's Roger. Engine 6. You have a two-vehicle MVC, patients in the care of EMS. Foxtrot's in command and mobile at 16, 26, 34.
Fire dispatch, North in command.
Go ahead.
You can also show two OPP units on scene.
That's Roger. Two OPP units on scene, 16, 28, 26.
Fire dispatch, North in command.
Go ahead.
You can show vehicle 1 disabled.
That's Roger. Vehicle 1 disabled. It is 1632.
Fire dispatch, North in command.
Can I go ahead?
You can show both patients being signed off with EMS. Scenes being left with OPP. Command's terminated. All units will be returning to station.
Roger that, Command. I copy. Both patients have been signed off with EMS. Scene's being left with OPP. Command is now terminated. All units are clear, returning at 1637.
Engine 6, car 3. Go ahead, car 3, engine 6. I noted there's a plow trying to get southbound through the accident scene, so the road will be plowed at least on the one side of the road, going into those curves. If you need to, throw your reds back on. Roger that.
Fire dispatch to command.
Go ahead, dispatch. This is engine 6.
Just be advised, Wingham has just received a call for 187 Victoria Street West, the Riverside Apartments, for a Zone 1 fire alarm. On-site and key holder pending. I'm about to page Wingham out now.
Roger that.
Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond to 187 Victoria Street West, the Riverside Apartments, for a Zone 1 fire alarm. On-site and key holder pending. That's 187 Victoria Street West. 7 pages, 164808. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond to 187 Victoria Street West, the Riverside Apartments, for a Zone 1 fire alarm. On-site and key holder pending. That's 187 Victoria Street West, Riverside Apartments, cross streets of William Street and Helena Street. 7 pages, 164844.
Fire dispatch, North Huron car 1.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, page acknowledged for Wingham Station. Car 1 on scene, nothing showing.
That's Roger. Car 1, you're on scene with nothing showing. Just be advised they did just call in to advise it was a false alarm and they're requesting a cancellation. Would you like me to send out a cancellation page?
Yeah, roger that. One cancellation page and I'll confirm everything's okay here.
That's Roger. Canceling now. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. This is a cancellation page. I repeat, a cancellation page for 187 Victoria Street West. A Bill Bruce on scene advised it was a false alarm and he's requesting units cancel. Time of cancellation is 1649:49.
Fire dispatch, page acknowledged. Thank you.
That's Roger. Acknowledging the cancellation at 1650:05.
Fire dispatch, North Huron car 1.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, I've met with the property manager. Looks like snow is blown in the garbage chute from the outside. We're just going to reset the alarm now.
That's Roger. You spoke to the property manager. It looks like snow blew into the vent. You'll be resetting the alarm. It's currently 1653:31.
Engine 6, car 3.
Go ahead, car 3, engine 6.
Engine 6, when you get back in the station and guys get their gear stripped off and everything, see if they'll take a minute or two. We should just check the batteries in those air packs on engine 6, please.
Roger that, car 3. Fire dispatch, car 1.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you might receive a second alarm at this address. We're just trying to reset and having some issues.
Roger that. Thank you.
Fire dispatch, Y station.
Go ahead.
You can show Y station back and haul, back in service. Download this call when you get a minute, please.
Roger. Back and haul, back in service. 1702:59.
Fire dispatch, North Huron car 1.
Go ahead.
Yeah, the system's been reset at 187 Victoria Street.
That's Roger. System reset at 1711.